CARES is a mobile application offering unified access to city observations across Greece. It integrates air quality, weather, mobility, and safety alert information from participating smart city infrastructures, presenting these records in a consistent, service-centric flow. CARES opens on a simple entry hub. The app is organized around city services and supporting information pages, so the first step is choosing whether to review context about the project or go directly to city data. Opening the About CARES section. This page states the scope explicitly. CARES integrates environmental and urban data from smart city infrastructures across Greece, using university-operated brokers and innovation hubs, with access centered on air quality, weather, mobility, and safety alerts. Opening the Smart Cities Ecosystem link. This transitions to the Smart Cities Ecosystem.gr site, showing the broader ecosystem context and associated municipality. Opening the ScanLab section. This page identifies ScanLab as the software-centric and autonomic networking group at NKUA and provides background on the lab's activity areas with an option to visit the ScanLab website. Returning to operational use through cities. The cities list is the entry point for selecting a city hub and then accessing that hub's service catalog. City selection is organized by city and institution. Athens is paired with NKUA, Kozani with UOWM, Larissa with UTH, and Patras with UPatras. The available services differ by city, and the city list functions as the index that determines which environmental, mobility, and alert datasets can be accessed. Athens, NKUA offers weather, alerts, and air quality. Weather returns observation records such as temperature entries. Alerts returns published alert items with status fields and metadata. Air quality returns pollutant measurements with explicit units, timestamps, and optional coordinates for location context. Patras, UPatras, provides air quality and bike lanes. Air quality returns measurement records. Bike lanes returns lane entities with an occupancy metric and supporting metadata. The Patras set is the only one in this demonstration where micromobility occupancy appears as a dedicated service. Larissa UTH combines air and mobility coverage. Air quality returns observation records, similar in structure to other cities. Traffic returns compact indicators rather than a long list, allowing the user to read traffic flow information quickly while staying within the same city context. In traffic, the service returns two indicators: an average speed value in kmh and a vehicle flow rate value labeled VHL. A retrieved timestamp is shown under the indicators, which provides an explicit reference time for the displayed values without requiring the user to inspect individual records. Kozani UOWM provides air quality observation entries. The scope here is straightforward: one hub, one domain, and repeated retrieval of the most recent records from that source. Across the app, services are sourced from university hubs and exposed as NGSILD entity data, while the client is implemented in Flutter. Data is presented either as time-stamped observation records in lists and cards, or as compact indicators, as in traffic. The app also surfaces an explicit error state when a request fails, rather than silently returning empty data. This demonstration establishes the available city services and the record formats returned in each domain. It confirms that the same interaction model applies across Athens, Kozani, Larissa, and Patras, and that each service can be reviewed directly through the app using published records and timestamps.